of Clarete, your Mr. Sports Fest 2025. And as we celebrate our 51st founding anniversary through Sports Fest, I am here to remind you that to practice camaraderie, fair play, and unity. Because by doing this very essence of sports, you will not just win, but you win with honor.
And I am Raisa Itagornao, your Miss Sports Fest 2025. And as your Mr. and Miss Sports Fest 2025, we encourage you to play fair, play well, and build friendship. Where blood, where sweat is today, and bond is for the lifetime. Thank you.